I am Ma'am Abigail Grace Q. Karandang, Grade 8 Food Processing Teacher. And today, I will show you how to make marmalade. So marmalade is a special type of food preserve made from the juice and peel of citrus fruits boiled with sugar. So let's begin. Okay, but before we begin, don't forget to wash your hands with soap and water and always wear your PPE during your laboratory or performance task. Be careful in using the knife. So for our ingredients, we have orange peel or citrus peel, orange pulp, orange juice, lemon juice, and of course, sugar. So we will be using refined sugar for this activity. So for our first step, we need to prepare the fruit. So for this, we will be using orange. So first step is we need to peel the orange. Peel the orange, then extract the juice. And of course, get the pulp and the peel. So peel is included in the recipe. So we need to slice the peel thinly. So the peel makes the marmalade this thin. Julienne cut for the peel. So after that, we need to combine all the ingredients. So first, I will be adding the orange juice, orange pulp, zest of lemon, sugar, and the peel. Peel off orange and lemon. Then bring it to a boil. Okay, stir occasionally until the sugar is dissolved. So we have to dissolve the sugar to avoid crystallization. So for this recipe, I used 1 cup of orange juice and 1/4 cup of sugar. Then let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until it sets. Okay, so increase the heat to medium-high until the mixture thickens. So the setting point for marmalade is 104 to 105 degrees Celsius. Test for doneness to ensure it's ready. Put some spoonful of marmalade in a chilled plate. So put some spoonful of marmalade in a chilled plate. Then press it with your finger. So if it wrinkled, it means that the marmalade has already set. Place it in a jar. So this is our finished product. There you have it, our orange marmalade.